This is the Xsense Smart Smoke Detectors 5-pack. I absolutely love Xsense stuff. I have a bunch of stuff here. I've got hygrometers for my guitars and to monitor this stuff in my basement. I've used Xsense products in the past. The cool thing, they all interlink, which I think is awesome. But anyway, this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, and all opinions are my own. And my opinion is these things are great. This is called the SBS50 base station, and this thing works with various other Xsense devices too. You get a charging cable, you get an actual charging block that comes with it, and you get 5 smoke detectors, the hardware that comes with it. And the smoke detectors already come with batteries in them, but you can't beat that. You get a set of instructions that is super easy to read and super easy to understand. Some of these things are a pain, this one isn't. This app basically just walks you through it piece by piece on how to do it. It tells you how to do it. It's fantastic. Here's a QR code to get the app at the Apple Store and at the Google Store, and I'll show you the app. This is awesome. With this base station, you can add up to 50 Xsense devices, including smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms. I have some hygrometers that work with the same exact base station. And super easy to mount too. You're just going to put 2 screws in. I like that it has this pad on here to hold the battery in. Once you get it mounted into wherever you're going to mount it, you just fold this over and it locks into place. Super simple. The alarm sound on these mini smoke detectors blasts out at about 100 decibels. Let's test it. So the cool thing about having everything interconnected is if one of these goes off, they all go off. So if one goes off in your basement and you guys sleep upstairs, all the devices are going to go off, and it's going to send notifications to your phone via the app. They will connect to each other in an open air transmission distance of about 1,700 feet. So that's plenty of room. So when you download the app, it looks just like that, the Xsense app. And the great thing about this app is going to be the push notifications that you get. If something happens when you're out, it sends you a notification. But let's set it up. So right now it's looking for a base. I have base 1. Let's create a new base. That's my old one. We'll call this one base 2. I'm in the United States. I'm done. I'm going to put this in my basement, and I'm going to create that location. So now it knows it's there. It's looking for it. Now let's plug it in. When you power it up, a light will start blinking here. On the app, we're going to press the plus, add a base station. There it is, base stations. Looking for the base station BS50. It tells you to scan the QR code on the back. So let's do that. It has got it. It knows it's base 2. It tells you exactly what to do. Turn on the base station, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. So let's do that. It's searching for it. I'm going to allow it. Now it wants me to enter. It sees my password. This works on 2.4 gig network, so you're going to need that. So let me enter my password. So
connecting to Wi-Fi.
It just went and found it. Simple as that. It's connecting to it. Found the device.
Wi-Fi connected.
How easy is that? All right, and we're done. So at this point, we've added the base station. It knows the base station. Now we just need to set up our smoke alarms on here. And pre-connected smoke alarms working with the SBS Fit. That's what we want. We're going to name this smoke alarm water heater. And it just walks right through it. Press the button twice, quickly. It beeps once. We tap next.
Ready to add a device. Device added.
How about that? 1 second. And you just simply go through and add your other devices. One of the great things about this app is the real-time push notifications. You can monitor your home from anywhere, and you can receive real-time notifications for alarms if there's any issues. This even includes like low battery alerts and faults. You know, that I think that's too cool. And you can test your devices individually from the app, so you don't have to like potentially get up on a ladder to do it. Or you can do it manually if you want to. You can still do that. Press the button. So let's go to the smoke alarm device test. Look at that. It tested the device, and it sent me a notice to let me know that smoke alarm 1 water heater in the basement tested and is in good condition. That is fantastic. I love that. So the best thing for me about this system is that I can monitor it from anywhere, at work, while I'm on vacation, anywhere. And it'll send a notification to my phone if there's any issues, which I think is perfect. Plus, for me, the base station is compatible with the hygrometers that I already have to monitor the humidity on my guitars, my cigars, and my fig tree cuttings that I'm going to be growing this winter. And I love it.